All right, today I'm going to be kind of going over something I get a lot of questions on, and that's how to set up a chemical spray setup, whether you're spraying fertilizer, pesticide, herbicide, Roundup, Crossbow. I've even seen people spraying SH, chlorine, or even copper sulfate through very similar setups. What I have here is pretty simple. This is just a Briggs engine, 6.5 horsepower. And then what I have over here is a Hi-Pro D30 pump. It's a 500 PSI pump, but puts out about 9 gallons per minute. So even though it has low pressure, the volume is really good. And I'm gonna show you really what this is capable of today. And once again, this is really a really good setup for spraying chemicals of any kind. I wouldn't really recommend chlorine through this specific pump, but the concepts we're going to go over are the same. And this, like I said, is really good for pesticide, herbicide, agricultural reasons. Right now, I have it set up on kind of a custom frame that we made here, but like I said, all the principles are going to be the same, and I want to show you just how much spray I can get out of this guy. So let's go ahead and crank it up. So as you can see, even though I did mention this is a really low PSI unit, it still got us a lot of really good volume. I was able to spray over 2 stories. I was able to get over my own building, which is tall for an average 2-story building. And a few things I want to mention on this setup that's different from pressure washing. A lot of guys might not know the difference, but it's good to know. Number one, this pump actually draws water out of the tank. As you can see, my tank is plumbed well below my pump, but it's not an issue, and the reason is this pump will actually draw that water out of the tank, so I don't have to feed this pump the water, where in fact it actually has enough pressure on it that it's pulling water in from the tank. Besides that, it's a pretty simple setup. If you're doing any kind of agricultural pesticide, this is a really good setup to have, and you saw the kind of output you can expect out of that.